DJI is about to break the laws of physics. We've just received a massive wave of verified leaks from the Shenzhen supply chain, and if these specs hold up, the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro isn't just an incremental update. It is officially a Mavic killer. Today, we are diving deep into the 2026 flagship that has every professional creator questioning why they own a heavy drone. We're talking about a revolutionary 1-inch Titan sensor, the debut of Nightscape LiDAR, and a 6K video resolution. That was supposedly impossible for a drone this size. Stick around until the end, because I'm going to reveal the leaked US release window and a secret Power Battery Plus feature that gives this tiny beast nearly an hour of flight time. You do not want to buy a drone in 2026 until you see what the Mini 6 Pro is packing. The headline feature, the one that is sending shockwaves through the industry, is the sensor. For years, the Mini series lived in the shadow of the Mavic's 1-inch sensor. But the Mini 6 Pro leaks confirm DJI has finally successfully miniaturized their flagship Titan imaging architecture. We are looking at a 50-megapixel, 1-inch CMOS sensor with a native 14 stops of dynamic range. But here is the kicker. It's rumored to include a variable aperture of f1.8 to f11. If you're a pro shooter in the US or UK, you know how massive this is. No more landing to swap ND filters every time the sun moves behind a cloud. This brings true cinema-grade control to a drone that fits in your jacket pocket. This advancement means the Mini 6 Pro can maintain incredible detail in the highlights and shadows simultaneously, giving you that creamy professional bokeh that was previously only achievable on drones triple its size and weight. But why 6K? It's not just a marketing gimmick. The Mini 6 Pro is designed for the modern creator economy. By shooting in 6K at 60 frames per second, you have the ultimate flexibility for social media cropping. You can pull a high-resolution 9:16 vertical shot out of a horizontal frame without losing a single pixel of 4K quality. And for the slow-motion enthusiasts, the leaks suggest a mind-blowing 4K at 120 frames per second with zero crop. That's better performance than most full-sized mirrorless cameras on the market today. This high bitrate processing ensures that every frame is packed with enough data to withstand heavy color grading, making it the perfect B-cam for high-end commercial productions, or the primary tool for solo cinematic travelers. Now let's talk about the feature that will save your drone from a watery grave, the new Nightscape LiDAR system. Until now, the Mini series relied on vision-based obstacle avoidance, which is almost useless in low light. The Mini 6 Pro changes the game by integrating a forward-facing LiDAR sensor. This isn't just for obstacle avoidance, it's for 3D mapping. Imagine flying through a dense forest or a tight urban environment in London or New York at night, and the drone sees every wire, every branch, and every edge in total darkness. This allows for the new ActiveTrack 7.0, which uses AI to predict your movement and navigate complex environments with a level of autonomy we've only seen in military-grade tech. This means the drone isn't just reacting to what it sees. It is literally understanding the geometry of the world around it in real time, creating a safety bubble that is virtually impenetrable. Safety is great, but it doesn't matter if you lose your signal. That's why DJI is introducing the O5 transmission system. Using a new high-density antenna array, the Mini 6 Pro is targeting a staggering 20-kilometer range in FCC-compliant regions like the US and Canada. But the real benefit isn't the distance, it's the penetration. The O5 system is designed to maintain a rock-solid 1080p 60 frames per second live feed, even in high-interference areas where the Mini 4 Pro used to stutter. Whether you're filming a skyscraper in Toronto or a mountain range in the Alps, the connection remains unbreakable. This improved latency also translates to a much more responsive flight experience, making the drone feel like an extension of your own hands during precise maneuvers. Design-wise, DJI is sticking to the 249-gram limit, but They are doing it with premium materials. We are hearing reports of a magnesium alloy internal frame and carbon fiber reinforced arms. This makes the Mini 6 Pro significantly more wind-resistant than its predecessors. In fact, it's rumored to handle level 6 winds, which is usually the territory of the much heavier Air 3S. They've also redesigned the gimbal to allow for a 225-degree rotation, enabling you to look straight up, perfect for bridge inspections or creative cinematic reveals. The folding mechanism has been reinforced with titanium hinges to ensure thousands of cycles without developing the dreaded arm wobble that plagued earlier lightweight models. Let's address the elephant in the room: battery life. This has always been the Achilles heel of small drones. However, the Mini 6 Pro introduces a new high-density silicon carbon battery. The standard Intelligent Flight battery will give you 40 minutes of airtime, but the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, which we expect to be a bestseller in the US and Australia, pushes that limit to a record-breaking 58 minutes. For a sub-250-gram drone to stay in the air for nearly an hour is a monumental engineering feat. This allows you to stay in the air longer, wait for the perfect light, and complete complex mission paths without the constant anxiety of a low-battery RTH signal. For the professional editors watching, the color science is getting a massive Hasselblad: injection. The Mini 6 Pro will support 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG across all frame rates. This means you're getting the exact same color profiles as the Mavic 3 Pro, allowing you to mix footage from both drones in a professional timeline without any color-matching headaches. Plus, with 47 gigabytes of high-speed internal storage, you don't even need an SD card for those quick run-and-gun shoots. This internal drive is rumored to be NVMe-based, meaning offloading your 6K footage to your laptop will happen at blistering speeds, saving you hours in the field. So when can you get your hands on it? Our supply chain sources point toward a late 2026 release window, likely hitting the shelves in October to catch the holiday rush. The rumored price for the standard combo is starting at $899 in the US, with the Fly More combo featuring the new DJI RC3 controller coming in at around $1,149. While that is a step up in price for the Mini series, you have to remember, you are essentially getting a Mavic 3 Pro that doesn't require a license to fly in most countries. The DJI Mini 6 Pro represents a total shift in DJI's strategy. They are no longer holding back features to protect their more expensive models. They are putting their best tech into their most portable platform. This drone is the ultimate tool for travel creators, real estate photographers, and hobbyists who demand the best without the wait. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Tap Tech. We are tracking every single move DJI makes, and as soon as the official announcement drops, we'll be the first to bring you the hands-on review. Before you go, I want to hear from you. Is 6K video a must-have for you? Or are you more excited about that 58-minute battery life? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, and I'll see you in the next one when we take a closer look at the upcoming Mavic 4 Pro leaks.